Good morning, kindergarten class. Happy last day of school. Can you believe it is our last day of kindergarten? Are you ready for summer vacation? I know I am. So today we're going to have a special meeting. It's our very last one of the year. And first I thought we would start with a greeting that means a lot to me. It's called Hello Friend. And it says, how are you? I'm very happy to see you. And when it comes to the part where it says greet your neighbor, you can just pretend to greet somebody or someone in your family. And when it says boogie on down, give a bump and turn around, you can just shake and do that part, okay? You guys ready? Here we go. Hello, friend. How are you? I'm very happy to see you. Greet your neighbor, boogie on down, give a bump and turn around. And you can always sing that to somebody that you know this summer. Well, let's go ahead and read our morning meeting message one last time. Today is May 29, 2020. It is the last day of school and my birthday. I get to celebrate my birthday on the last day of school. How exciting. Today is Friday. It is our last day of school. You have worked so hard. I have a surprise video to share, one of your favorites to end the year. I am so glad I was your teacher this year, and I hope you have a fantastic summer. Love, Mrs. K. Your Seesaw attendance post, the last one of the year, is you are going to do the Curious Garden Seesaw activity. And the book, The Curious Garden, was the book that I read to you on the first day of school. And we made our hopes and dreams for school this year from listening to the book called The Curious Garden. So I thought, what better way to end our year than to read it on the last day of school? But this time, you are going to create a hope and dream for this summer. So after you watch the story, you can do this on Seesaw. You are going to send me either a video, a message, or a picture of what your hope or dream is for the summer. So I can share one of mine. One of my hopes for this summer is to do a lot of work on our deck. We want to sand our deck and paint our deck so that it looks fresh and new, and we can hang out a lot and grill out a lot on it this summer. So that's kind of an example of one of my hopes and dreams for this summer. I want you to think of what your hope or dream is for this summer. Maybe you want to be a better bike rider. Maybe you want to learn how to ride your scooter better. Maybe you want to read 100 books this summer. I don't know. Be creative and think about what is your hope and dream for this summer. I can't wait to see. And that will be your last assignment for the year. I also sent your moms and dads some activity calendars that if you want to, you don't have to, but if you want something extra to do this summer, there's lots of fun activities on there for you to look at. All right, let's go to our calendar. Oh, sorry, our surprise song. I almost forgot. I was so excited. I'm going to play you a surprise song, and you're going to love it because it's one of our favorites. And you can dance along or just watch if you want. I'll get a little bit bigger here.
Big day today, first day of school. A whole lot of students out there heading off to their first class.
For I'm gonna teach you all about it. Sit yourself down and take a seat. All I gotta do is repeat after me. A, B, C. Easy as 1, 2, 3. All simple as do, re, mi. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. Baby, you and me, girl. A, B, C. Easy as 1, 2, 3. All simple as do, re, mi. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. Baby, you and me, girl. Come on, let me just a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna teach you how to sing it loud. Come on, let me show you what it's all about. Reading, writing, arithmetic are the branches of a learning tree. So without the roots above every day, girl, your education ain't complete. Teacher's gonna show you how to get it right. Spell me, you, after 2. Listen to me, baby, that's all I do. A, B, C. Easy as 1, 2, 3. All simple as do, re, mi. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. Baby, you and me, girl. It's easy, it's like counting up to 3. Sing a simple melody. That's how easy love can be. Sing a simple melody. 1, 2, 3. You
And here
and
comes
me.
my favorite part.
Shake it, baby. 1, 2, 3, baby. Shake it, baby. 1, 2, 3, baby. A, B, C, baby. Don't break me, baby. A, B, hey, yeah. That's how easy love can be. Easy, it's like counting up to 3. Sing a simple melody. That's how easy love can be. Sing it out. Come on, let me show you what it's all about. Easy, it's like counting up to 3. Sing a simple melody. That's how easy love can be. Easy as 1, 2, 3. All simple as do, re, mi. A, B, C. That's how easy love can be. 1, 2, 3. Do, re, mi. A, B, C. That's how easy love can be.
Yay! I hope you enjoyed our video. Let me get it out of here quick for us so I can see everybody else. There you are. Well, I hope you enjoyed my favorite video, and I know it was some of your favorite videos. It's the ABC Mouse video, so if you want to look it up on YouTube, you can watch it, or just rewatch our morning meeting again. All right, let's do our calendar for the very last time. We're going to go ahead and put my pen on here. Yesterday was May 28th, which means today is May 29, and we're going to write a 2 and a 9 over the last day of school. Awesome. And then we're going to put our shape. Let's see, let's go back here. We have bird, butterfly, flower. Bird, butterfly. What will our last shape be today? Flower. Woohoo! Let's move our arrows over. Tomorrow is Saturday, which means it is a weekend day and also the first day of summer vacation. Today is Friday and yesterday was Thursday. Let's keep going. Let's move. Weather today is going to be sunny for the last day of school. Woohoo! It's going to be a little bit cooler than yesterday, but it's still going to be sunny. All right, let's look at our weather graph for the month of May in school. And sunny is the winner. Woohoo! I hope we have a lot of sunny days this summer because I know a lot of you have fun things that you want to do outside. Our tallies, let's add another one here and we'll count our final tally. We have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. So in the month of May, we came to school for 18 days. That's a lot of days in May. All right, And I think our last slide is coming up next. It is. We are going to do our countdown to summer vacation. Woohoo! So we're going to start at 25. And when we get to 0, we're going to say blast off to summer. And then I'll say goodbye to you for the very last time. Now remember, all the Seesaw videos are going to be on Seesaw for the rest of the summer. So if you're missing school, you can go back and watch them as many times as you want. All right, are you ready to do a countdown to summer? Here we go. 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off to summer! Woohoo! Well, I sure enjoyed doing morning meetings with you this year, boys and girls. And one more thing before we go, remember to be kind to your family this summer. Listen to your mom and dad. Help them out. And most of all, have a lot of fun. And we'll see you soon. Bye-bye, everybody.